Welcome to our homemade video. In this video, you will get to see my wife create her special version of a mouth-watering chicken breast lasagna, one of my personal favorites. I hope you enjoy watching it as much as I did. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. We have a lot of other delightful recipes and fun videos coming your way, and we would love for you to be a part of our community. We also encourage you to share your views and thoughts with us. We value your opinions and would love to hear what you think about the recipe. Any suggestions you may have, or even just a friendly hello. Remember, your feedback is essential in shaping the content we create for you. Thank you for joining us in this culinary adventure. Stay tuned for more delicious dishes and exciting videos